Okay. So what generative energy, space, consciousness, choice, magic, miracles, mysteries, and possibilities can I be today to go beyond the black and white and to go beyond the right and wrong? And everything that does not allow me to know, be, perceive, and receive that, will you now destroy and create it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, and beyonds. Okay. I just started the recording. So thanks for reminding me. I think it will be great if someone reminds me to record. So everything that brought up and let down, and now destroy and create it all. Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, and beyonds. So what can I be or do different to learn from the panda and be like a panda, to just be chilled and relaxed about everything I do, including my eating and sleeping? And everything that does not allow you to know, be, perceive, and receive that, will you destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, and beyonds. So what are the most important things in life? Breathing, eating, sleeping. Breathing, eating, and sleeping, right? What's more important than that? So everything that brought up and led on, will you destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, and beyonds. How many of you are sleeping really well? Anyone? I don't think a lot of you are sleeping really, really well. Maybe I'm wrong, and if I'm wrong, that's amazing, but looks like that. Okay, yeah, Swarna just said I'm not able to. How many of you eating really well, as in healthy food and enjoying your food? Zora, thanks for saying I sleep awesome, amazing. How many of you are drinking water with so much joy? And how many of you are breathing with ease? What else really matters in life, right? Sleep well, eat well, amazing. But for the others, what can you be or do different? To just be like a panda, to eat with so much ease, to sleep with even more ease, and to chill out with even more ease. And everything that does not allow you to know, be, perceive, and receive that, will you now destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, and beyonds. Since it's Monday today, so what can you be or do different to be so chilled out and still work with ease? And everything that does not allow you to know, be, perceive, and receive that, will you now destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, and beyonds. So there is some terminology in Access which says having the joy of peace and the peace of joy. Have you guys heard of that? You are so peaceful that it brings you joy, and you're so joyous that it brings you peace. Having the joy of peace and the peace of joy. Right? So when you're joyous, you're peaceful. And when you're peaceful, you're joyous. So everything that brought up and let down, will you destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, and beyonds. Would you guys like to have that? Hope you're saying yes. Yes. Okay. So what can I be or do different today to always have the joy of peace and the peace of joy in everything that I be and do for the rest of the week? And everything that does not allow you to know, be, perceive, and receive that, will you now destroy and uncreate it once and for all eternity? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, and beyonds. Okay, looks like all of you are like little stressed, or maybe more stressed. Just being kind when I'm saying little. So let us start having this joy of peace and peace of joy when we breathe and when we eat. Then we can extend it to the work we do or anything else. So everything that does not allow me to have the joy of peace and the peace of joy when I sleep today, to sleep in such a way that my body is completely nurtured, I now destroy and uncreate it once and for all eternity. Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, and beyonds. And every
Nitya,
yes, Kanika.
Nitya, I have a question.
Yes.
So, Nitya, you just now said that joy of peace and peace of joy.
Yes.
So, what I have noticed with me is when I create, as in when I make money, there's a lot of sense of joy, there's a lot of sense of peace. I know it's not related, like, you would say only money will bring you joy, or money will bring you peace. I know it's not really correlated, but with me, what I've noticed is when I'm creating, for example, when I'm giving sessions, or for example, I'm giving classes or something, there's a lot of sense of joy, there's a lot of sense of peace in me, which is again related to money. But this is what I've noticed, like money brings a lot of peace and joy in me. It's something that I thrive with.
What if it was the other way? You had peace and joy when you gave the session, so it brought you money.
Yeah, I look at the end result. I get what you're saying, okay, but I also look at the end result. When I have that money in my hand, it gives me like a lot of satisfaction, gives me like, wow, that moment of achievement types.
Yes. So that is completely fine. And you should all go wow when you get money in your hand. So what is your question, Kanika?
Yeah, so money gives me a lot of peace and joy, which is a limitation, right? According to this reality, that money the only reason that joy and peace you get. In money workbook we read that, right?
Yeah.
But for me, I don't know if I'm limiting myself, but money does bring me
Okay.
both.
So let's not say you're limiting yourself. You're definitely not limiting yourself. Money can bring peace and joy. Why not? And it's so lovely to hold money in your hands, whatever notes they are. It's lovely to see your bank account increase. But money is not the only thing that gives you that. That's where we have to. So what can I be to receive the peace of joy and the joy of peace in everything in my life, including the money? And everything that does not allow me to know, be, perceive, and receive that, will you destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys and beyond. So just keep adding. So money is giving me so much joy of peace and peace of joy. What else can give me that amount of peace, of joy and joy of peace, or even more?
Yes, like you mentioned, sleep is definitely one
Yes.
thing that sleep. And it's, for that matter, even when I take a walk in the nature, like just now I took a walk, it was a sense of that
Yes.
nourishment to the body, which again brought in a sense of peace and joy.
Awesome. So there are, see, just now you've got more awareness. It's not only the money, other things also give you that.
That's what I'm saying. I limited myself with only money. Now, when you're bringing up more questions, when you're asking me more questions, I am taking out these bits and parts and pieces of where I can get more joy and peace in my life, altogether in my life.
Yes. So again, everywhere we are so talented in judging ourselves and telling ourselves that we're limited. Will you now destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys and girls. So let's go of that. Let go of that talent, which is judgment, and let's get to your natural talents. So what are my talents and my own strengths that I can choose and be, that will automatically bring me more money? And everything that does not allow you to know, be, perceive, and receive that, will you now destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys and beyonds. Okay, Vijaya says, is it that the moment of joy is due to having no desire in that moment? No, that's not true. You can have a desire, your desire can bring you joy too. You can have no desire, that can bring you joy too. You can eat, that can bring you joy too. You can go to the bathroom, that will definitely bring joy to your stomach. So everything can bring you joy. So everything that brought up and let down, will you now destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, pointless. By the way, that was a joke, guys. So if you're not laughing, please do laugh. Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys and beyonds. So what can I be or do different that everything gives me pleasure and joy? Because that's how the earth is designed. See, the chair I'm sitting on gives me pleasure to my body. It makes it easier than standing. Is it not? If you think it's not, let me clarify. Yes, it does make it easier than standing. The bed you sleep, it makes it easier than sleeping on the floor, right? So everything that you have is designed to bring you joy. Just ask for it to give you joy rather than going, oh no, I can't sleep tonight. Instead, oh my God, I have such a lovely bed. How can I sleep so peacefully and happily? Bed, how can you help me sleep better? So everything that brought up and lay down, will you now destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys and beyonds. Drinking water. Doesn't your throat feel good after you drink water? Yeah, it does. It should. If it's not, you're drinking too fast. So please enjoy the water that you drink. Like, let's go back to the panda. Drinking, eating, and sleeping. Those are the three things that it does. And breathing, right? Four things. That's all. No complications in life. Four most important things. If you do that well, everything else will fall in place. So everything that brought up and let down, will you now destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys and beyonds. So what can you be or do different today to drink water with so much joy of peace and peace of joy? And everything that does not allow you to know, be, perceive, and receive that, will you destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys and beyonds. And see, Kanika, we can get it from drinking water. We can get it from eating, from anything.
Yeah, there's like my this thing is getting added, the list.
Yes, add. Money also.
As in the joy list is getting added, yeah.
Awesome. So I hope for all of you also start realizing and your joy list. So what can I be or do different to keep on adding to my list of joys And everything that does not allow me to know, be, perceive, and receive that, will you now destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all 9 shots, boys and girls.
Nitya, can you also speak about joy, the element of joy and gratitude? Does it go hand in hand? Like when you're joyful, you're grateful for stuff, and does it like correlate with each other?
Yeah. So both of them correlate to this powerful word called presence. When you're happy, you're mostly present. You're not judging. When you're grateful also, when you're really grateful, right? There are many people who say, I'm grateful, but then they'll add a but. They'll say, I'm so grateful, but I don't have any money. I'm so grateful for this person, but then she did this, this, this. If we let go that gratitude, which is actually not gratitude, and come to the real gratitude, when you're grateful, you're present. When you're joyous and happy, you're present. So these are different terms that enable you to be in the now, live in the present, and be yourself. And we're all here to be ourselves. The reason I'm talking about talents today is I would like all of you, if you're willing to find your talent and get joy from that, and then be happy. So everything that brought up and led down, will you destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds. And when you're truly happy and joyous, you don't have time to think about other people and what they're thinking of you and their judgments. So that's how they go hand in hand. These are amazing energies that get you out of judgment. And judgment is an invented talent. It was not a talent that you were born with. But the talent which you were born with is something much more amazing, which is you, right? So what were the talents that you were born with, that you were born to live, that you have not acknowledged or found yet? What can you be or do different to find those and live those? And everything that does not allow you to know, be, perceive, and receive that, will you now destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds. Varsha, did you have a question? Did you unmute yourself for a question? Or
Yes, Nitya. So Nitya, I want to ask, Panda does 4 things: sleeping, eating, drinking, and
breathing.
Wow, wonderful, wonderful. All the things which nature gives you naturally.
Yes. Which is free of cost.
Wonderful. Awesome. Absolutely, absolutely.
And which is joyous. So that's the joy of living. So what?
Yes, and that's the true meaning of law.
Sorry, that's the true meaning of what?
That's the true meaning of life. Life.
Yeah, I wouldn't conclude that. What is the true meaning of my life? And everything that does not allow me to know, be, perceive,
Okay.
will you destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all 9 shots, poison. Because we do learn from Panda, but there's much more you can do as an infinite being. But if I have the basics of feeling joyous and grateful for my breath, for the food, for the water, and if I sleep properly, then my foundation is like really set. And then I can build amazing things on top of that. But what is the point of earning crores and crores of money if you don't sleep? If you see a point in that, please destroy and uncreate it. Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds. Right? So at the end, at least for me, at the end, everything is to make me happy. And everything is to make me free. For what else? Why would I want more money? Because I'm like, it'll give me more freedom to do things. So if happiness and freedom is what you're looking for, then you should be healthy too, right? Because you should be able to breathe for a longer time than a shorter time. So everything that brought up and let down, will you destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all 9 shots. That's nice. Sorry about that. Okay. So everything that brought up and let down, will you now destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all 9 shots. Shush, close the door. Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all 9 shots. Boys and beyonds. Okay. So Varsha, did I answer your question? Yeah. And please ask questions. Don't conclude anything. So everywhere I would still like to conclude, and all the talents I have at concluding and judging, will you now destroy and uncreate it once and for all eternity?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all 9 shots, boys and beyond. Okay. So
Hi,
what
Nitya.
Hi.
Nitya, when you say keep asking questions and do not conclude, what do you mean by saying that? So, like, even if something has happened and you keep asking questions, so there's still the possibility. Is that what you just
Yes,
meant?
yes.
Mm.
Because if
Great.
something good happens, you say, how does it get better than this? Then you allow
Yeah.
for more better things to happen. Yeah. So we live in wonder and curiosity as infinite beings. I
And if
wonder what
something,
else is possible. Yes.
and if something like it's not good, but then if something that does not move or does not happen, so then what should be the thought or what should be the thing that we should like do?
When you say something does not move, that has stopped it. So why did you
Okay.
conclude that something did not move?
Yeah, yeah. So I never wanted to say that something bad happened. So maybe that's why I put it across that what you desired, the thing, it never happened the way as you desired. So then what do you do?
Okay, that's a very beautiful question. It doesn't happen the way you desire. Actually, that's the truth. It happens in better ways. So if it's not happening the way you desire, the universe is creating a better master plan. You just
Mm.
have to be patient enough for the universe to gift it to you instead of saying it's not going the way I wanted. This is not what is happening. So every time you say this is not what's happening, or every time you be impatient, you delay the process. And what I've learned is, I've told this in previous calls, how is the universe? So your job is just to ask universe, I would like more money. How you get the money, from where you get the money, who gives to you, the universe, let the universe decide, because it's more powerful. It's a partner that works for you, that actually knows things. Now a lot of people we work with may not know stuff, but the universe knows everything. So be intelligent enough to delegate to the universe, and the universe will get you that money in the fastest and the best way possible. And it'll come once, and then the next time more and little more, it keeps on coming. So let's not get into the how. Let's have faith that this universe who has created me will give it to me in the fastest and best way. And if it's not happening, there are only two reasons. One is either you stopped it yourself by saying, it's not happening, I'm stuck, it's not moving, or maybe that's not what you really wanted. There is always something better that will show up. So everything that brought up and let down, will you destroy and uncreate all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, poisonous. I'm going to correct that. There are three reasons. One is you stopped it. Two is maybe that's not what you wanted. Or three is the universe is putting up something better and it's just going to come. So everywhere we are so talented that you stop everything that the universe is creating for you in the background with your own talents of judgment. Will you now destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, boys and
Mm.
beyonds. So when you say, how does it get better? Instead of I'm stuck, what can I be to move forward with ease? How does it get better? Then things keep moving. And I think Shweta was asking me to talk about this. So delay does not mean denial. Delay is different, denial is different. So if you're stuck, maybe you're not stuck, we're not stuck. Um, because time keeps moving, right? The next day does come, the sun keeps rising. So where are you stuck? It is changing, right? So even if nothing else changed, the time has changed. So nothing is stuck in this universe. But when you decide you're stuck in your mind, you're stuck in your own judgment. But when you ask, how does it get better than this? Or what can I be to move forward with ease? Things will move. And if they get delayed, it does not mean the universe is denying it to you in any way. So it will come. Sometimes it will come 20 years later. That's because if you're smarter, you can get it. Like I wanted a job in this very nice company when I came out of college, and then I got it like 20 years later, maybe 20, yeah, 15 to 20 or 25, whatever the time is. Got it after so many years, but it'll still come because the universe has listened to you, and at the right time, when you're willing to receive it, it shows up. And the beauty is, even in this 10 seconds, if you change that vibration, you can receive it in this 10 seconds. If it comes later also, it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter because time is an illusion. When you have the peace of joy and the joy of peace, you're not going to age. If you're not going to age, there's no time. If there's no time, it doesn't matter whether it comes today or tomorrow or later. And if you think like that, if you be like that, then things become easier. So everything that brought up and let down, will you destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shots, poison, yours. Okay. Did I answer your question? Yes. 1
Can
second.
you please speak more about time is illusion? Sorry, if I interrupted.
Yeah, I think I did one call on time. If you go back, I don't remember which date. You might listen to that. It will give you more perspective. Yeah, but time is an invention. As in, why is it an illusion? It's a circular thing. It's not linear at all. Life is also not linear. So whatever pattern you had 2 years back, which will come again this year. So whatever you have not changed will keep on coming back in your universe. So time is actually a circular loop that keeps on showing you. I like to call it father time. I think I wrote in one of my posts. Keeps on showing you. What does a father do? They tell you what you have to correct. So it will keep on showing you what you have to change until you change it. That's how time is. For example, if I left the job saying I don't like this colleague of mine, and you go to a next job, there'll be a colleague who will be worse than that because you didn't solve the issue. And then you lost money, let's say like 2 years ago, and then you're like, I lost everything, and you still live like that as though you lost things because now 2 years has moved forward. What will you create? You will lose money this year again. So time is actually circular. It keeps repeating itself. And if you get that and get out of the linear thing, you just use time to break your patterns and not to age and not to tell yourself that I've not achieved something. Then you have infinite time. Does that make sense?
It does.
Okay. So everything that brought up in let down, will you destroy it?
Little.
Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all 9 shorts persons. And you might want to watch, I don't know which date it is, but you can watch all my previous calls. I do remember I talked about time in one call. Yeah. Kirti, did you have a question?
Yes, I had a question.
Yes.
You were talking about being in the present so we can have more joy of peace and peace of joy. So what can we do to practice being in the present all the time?
Okay. I'm not sure if I was talking about that. I was also talking about that. I was talking about many other things.
Okay.
You can ask the same question. What can I be or do different to be present all the time? And everything that does not allow you to know, be, perceive, and receive that, will you destroy and uncreate?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all 9 shorts persons. And see, this is where you have to do things with fun. Even if I'm not present, and the state I want to get to be is to be present, you should do it with fun. Otherwise, you're going to lose it. If you do it like, I have to ask this question because I have to ask it, I have to be present because I have to be present. If you do it with that energy, you're not present. But when you're doing it with fun, you're already present. So how much fun can I have into evolving to be more present? And everything that does not allow you to know, be, perceive, and receive that, will you destroy and uncreate it all?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all 9 shorts, poisonous. And non-judgment is very, very important to be present. The minute you catch yourself judging you or someone else, ask yourself, am I present? Ask yourself how to get present. Or interesting point of view, I have this point of view. So you have to catch yourself when you're not present and keep changing it with fun. That's another way.
Okay.
And it's moment by moment. So every moment,
Thank you.
one moment at a time, can choose to be present. Thank you. Right, wrong, good, bad, call 9 shorts. Yes.
मैम अगर इस समय अगर मैं किसी 4-5 आदमियों से परेशान हूँ अलग अलग जगह से, हाँ, और मैं अगर उस वक्त बोलूँ who does it belong to and मुझे लाइट फील हो रहा है, तो मैं एक बार में अगर बोलती हूँ send it back to sender with consciousness attached, तो वो सबके लिए हो जाता है, जो इसके जिसके है सबके लिए एक ही बार हो जाता है?
That depends on your presence. If you're fully present, it'll go in one shot. If you're not present, it will take godzillion times. So everything that brought up in that term will you destroy. Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC. That's the beauty of presence. And that is this is just when someone is doing who does it belong to, and they said, Nitya, I did it 10 times, but then I call them and say, who does it belong to, and it's just gone. So the presence with which you ask matters. So what can you be or do different to be so present that so present that you become the tool instead of just using the tool, so that the tools work for you faster and better. And everything that does not allow you to know, be, perceive, and receive that, will you destroy and uncreate it. Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all 9 shorts, boys and beyonds. And look at your own life, right? Something you would have said, it would happen instantly. Something you're saying for years and years, it's not changing. So it depends on the presence with which you're asking, and also all the judgments that is holding something in place from all the lifetimes. So we have fun with the process of, let's call it clearing the crap. The fun with the process of clearing everything and changing. then it becomes easier. And then it's an adventure. Instead of it's not the way that I've expected. You're like, oh, today also, it's not it. Today also, I have to do more work on this. Okay, let me work on it. Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. So let's look at it like that. And then universe, like some of my things that are happening, I'm like, it came again. I'm like, wow, this came again. I'm like, the nth time it has come. I'm like, time you're showing it to me again, n times? Okay, how dumb am I? But how intelligent can I become to let this go? Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. Laugh at yourself. It's okay to be dumb. It's okay to make the same mistake again. It's not wrong. Okay, right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. If you make the same mistake again, you can laugh at yourself saying, you've still not learned. Let me learn again. Right, wrong, good,
But
bad.
then Nitya,
Yes.
hello, Nitya. But then how at times, like, we know things are repeating, and we know that yes, we are doing something wrong, or we are not taking the lesson. But what lesson exactly we have to take? It's not like nobody comes and tells you. You have to. At times we don't understand, like we don't perceive it, what exactly it is. So if we do that, then it'll stop. So what is that particular thing that doesn't come so easily, right? So at times,
No,
or
it will
like
come.
this.
That's your point of view. Everywhere I have a underlying point of view that I cannot change things with ease. Will you destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. See, every issue is different. Some issue is not yours, so it goes very fast when you ask who does it belong to. Some of it is yours, and it's yours that's been ingrained from lifetime after life, before lifetime, before lifetime. So if you have some issue that's like trillions of lifetimes old, be kind to that. It will take time to change. May not just change instantly, which is also fine. As long as you're willing to change it, it will change. And moment by moment, every moment, if I'm willing to change it, it will change. But for that one moment, if I say this is not changing, or I don't know how to change it, or it's still there, then you delay the process. And
So what, in what, like what should we think? I mean, see, if something is repeating, there is a kind of irritation. Again, it happened in a much larger way. This happens to me because the way it has happened first time, it was not that I was able to manage it. Then again, in a more larger, then it's such a magnified way that now I'm like, "Arey, ye kya ho gaya?" It's like too much. It's becoming, but the same thing. So then that what should we think at that time? Like how you're just saying, na, don't think it's not. So, but what should we think? I mean, yeah, what we don't have to think, you told. But then what should we think?
you don't have to think. You keep your mind free. Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. Don't think is a solution to a lot of things. Choosing different is a solution. So if it comes back bigger, what does it mean? You never let it go in the first place. So now you have to choose something different. If again you say it's come back, I didn't let it go, are you choosing different? You cannot give the same input and expect a different output. I mean, you can give the same input and expect a different output, but it doesn't work. So you have to change the input. So now you say, last time I created it itna, now I created it itna, how powerful I am, but I would like to change it. So what can I be or do different for this to change? And everything that does not allow you to know, be, perceive, and receive that, will you destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all nine.
Yes.
And however, all of you are masters in destroying stuff. I think you'll agree to that. Like I created such a bad situation, I destroyed everything. So if you're that powerful in destroying, you're that powerful in creating also. So everywhere I do not acknowledge my power of creation and use it to create and evolve at my own pace to something better than what I can even imagine. Will you now destroy and uncreate it once and for all eternity?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. So be kind to yourself. Please don't judge yourself. This is when the talent of judgment comes in. I have delayed it. Same thing happen again, bigger. It may not even be the same thing, but if the minute you conclude it's the same thing and it's bigger, it will become the same thing and even bigger. So everything that brought up and let down, will you destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. It's an adventure. So you're playing a game and you didn't cross one level. So play with fun. How do I cross this level with ease? Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all nine shorts, boys and beyonds. Don't make it so significant.
Okay.
Then you're
Yeah.
present. Yeah. Because if you say this is the same thing, it may not be the same thing. Something has changed, right? Time has changed. You have changed. Something
Yeah.
has changed. But then you're
Something
like,
has
this is
changed.
the, yeah,
True. Yeah.
but this is the same thing, and I've not yet got out of it. Then you lose
Huh.
the game. That's where the plot gets
Uh-huh.
more heavier and dense. So it's up to
Okay.
you to make the game light or dense. So everything that brought up and let down, will you destroy and uncreate it all? Right,
So
wrong.
like you want to say that we should just see it as a movie scene, that it has come and it will pass and bas okay. हो रहा है होने दो, आगे बढ़ने, it will go that way.
I don't think I said that, but if
No,
that's what you meant, that's fine.
I understood that.
Okay.
What you said उससे मुझे ये लगा.
Okay. So if it's your movie, you're the heroine. So what? So you get to change things, right? So how much fun can I have with changing everything? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all 9 shots, boys and beyond.
Okay.
And be kind to yourself. See, whenever the situation is really bad, and you also know that you have only created it, no one else created it. This is when you have to be even more kinder to yourselves. Then you can change it. Not getting into judgment. Judgment is not going to sort this out. Yesterday, I was talking to someone and some ego with a close relationship. So the question I asked is, so what are you going to get if you prove the other person is wrong? And he couldn't answer. So what are you going to get if you prove that you were wrong? What are you going to get if you beat yourself up for being wrong? What is the point of that? So everything that brought up and let down, will you destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, bad, pot, pock, all 9 choice poison. So what if you created it bigger? What are you going to prove by saying I created it, I made the same mistake? Nothing, right?
Yeah.
Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all 9 choice poison. So everywhere you have a talent of proving yourself wrong and living in wrongness. Will you now let that go once and for all eternity? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds. I don't see a point in achieving anything by making anyone feel wrong about anything. So most of the time, even if someone does something, I usually keep quiet. I don't have any emotions, and I don't go and confront them and say, how dare you did this? And I see no point in telling anyone that they're wrong. So everything that brought up and let down, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all 9 shots, poison. I may say, can you change this? Can we do this better? That's a different way of putting it across. And even in your relationship, any of you, don't try to make the other person in the relationship wrong. There's nothing you're going to achieve from it. If you're smart, trust me and stop it. If you're not smart, please go ahead and experience it until you get the awareness that it's really not going to help. So everything that brought up and let down, will you destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, and choice partners. Yes, Mona, did you have a question?
What happens with me is that when we are judging our children, like
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
about
Your connection is. Can you please type the question? It would be better. There's a lot of noise in your connection. Okay, please type. I can't hear you, and there's a lot of noise too. Okay, yeah. So I'll wait for Mona to type the question. So just
can you hear me now?
yes.
Okay. I was telling that when we keep judging our children, like it's not based on that I want to judge, but for improving them to do better and better, or to make them understand that this was the mistake that you did this time, but for next time you have to do it this way. So is it a place of judgment, or instead of telling that, should we tell something different to them?
Yeah, I see. You have to gauge your energy if it's coming from a place of judgment, but let's not use the word mistake. So we can ask your child, is this the best choice you have? Would you like to choose something different next time? And allow them to choose for themselves.
It's not always about choice. Like the work she is doing, like she is my daughter, okay, and she's making something, or doing something at home which is not proper, and I keep telling her that this is not the way, this is not, so that is not the choice, or at that place it's not the thing to choose for her. But what she feels, that you always keep on telling that it's not proper, it's not good, it's not proper, so that is a judgment thing. When I'm telling that this is not good, so is it a judgment?
It looks like. And even if it's not a judgment, even if you're, it is a judgment. See, improvement or better, the word better itself is a judgment. So let us not look to improve. You're not bad. Each of us, your children, none of them are wrong or bad that they have to improve. What we're looking is to evolve into
Yes.
something greater because you can, again with choice. Even if you don't evolve, it does not matter because we're all so different and diverse. And when you keep telling the child that this is wrong, they become like, now I had to do 6 years or 7 years of healing and I'm still continuing. I just started for the last 6 years because then you don't want them to keep healing themselves for the rest of their life, because everything they have gone through is wrong. They have to undo all those things. So you might want to just tell your daughter, like, do you have a better choice here? And if she's not changing, it's fine. Let them be. We're all here to be. Look at the sun. It doesn't change. No, it does its work just like it is. So the value is in teaching your children to let them be who they are. And if she feels that it's not good enough, she will change it. But when we keep saying it's not good enough, it becomes a judgment. It becomes very hard on them, and they make.
But then it feels like that time will run away. Like she has plenty of time now. She is not using it, and
Did I just say time is an illusion? It doesn't run away.
yes.
Yes. Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POC. You have infinite time. She has infinite time. I grew up when I was 30 years old. I didn't grow up when I was till I was 30. But if I can grow up at 30, your daughter has enough time to change and grow. And let them choose for themselves. So what energetic contribution can I be so that my daughter evolves and changes with ease to whom she would like to be? Everything that does not allow that time is a constituent, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POC, all nine shots, poisonous. This question you keep asking yourself, and then you will know what to say. But then don't keep saying that you're making a mistake, you're not doing it properly. And all the expectations, this is an expectation that she has to do it the way you want. Now, one thing for you guys to notice, no one will do things the way you want, because they think different, you think different.
Yes.
Yeah. So that's just your expectation. Expectation is a judgment, and expectation is such a powerful judgment, it will make sure the other person will hate you. So everything that brought up and let down, will you destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POC, all nine shots, boys and beyonds. Thank you, Isha. Okay. So what can I be or do different to go beyond projections, expectations, separations, and rejections of my own family and myself? And everything that does not allow you to know, be, perceive, and receive that, will you now destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POC, all nine shots, boys and beyonds. What energetic contribution can I be to empower and enable people in my family to choose what makes sense to them and what they would like to become? And everything that does not allow you to know, be, perceive, and receive that, will you destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POC, all nine shots, boys and beyonds. And everywhere I'm so talented in judgment that I don't even perceive that it's a judgment that I'm doing. Will you now destroy and uncreate it once and for all eternity? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POC, all nine shots, boys and beyonds. Everywhere I've been so talented for millions of lifetimes and trillions of lifetimes in the way of judgment that I do not even recognize that I'm doing judgment when I do judgment. Will you now destroy and uncreate it once and for all eternity? To invite the joy of peace and the peace of joy into your life. And everything that does not allow you to know, be, perceive, and receive that, will you now destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POC, all nine shots, boys and beyonds. What can I be or do different to be like the panda, to enjoy my breathing, my sleeping, my eating, and my drinking? And everything that does not allow you to know, be, perceive, and receive that, will you now destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POC, all nine shots, boys and beyonds. What can I be or do different so that just for today, I choose to go beyond all judgment. And just for today, I choose to go beyond black and white. And everything that does not allow you to know, be, perceive, and receive that, will you destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POC, all nine shots, boys and beyonds. Okay, any more questions, guys?
Nitya, sometimes.
Sorry, I just muted everyone. Please unmute yourself. And
Yeah. So sometimes we judge because we are actually scared, right? We judge the other person because we're actually scared in the situation. Yeah, how do we function at those times?
If you catch that you're judging, you're already halfway through. What can I be to change the judgment? Interesting point of view. I have this point of view. Now, when you catch it that you're judging, don't continue with the judgment. That's the way to get out of it.
Okay.
And let's not choose fear. Would an infinite being choose fear?
No.
No. So you've judged yourself to be something lesser, right? So everywhere we are so good at judging us to be finite. You now destroy all.
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds. Everywhere we are so talented at making ourselves finite, and we don't like the talent at all. Will you now destroy and uncreate it once and for all eternity?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds. Shweta, do you have a question? No? Okay. Yes, someone has raised their hand, 11E22EEF. I do not know the name. If you have a question, please do ask. Okay. Someone, what is kindness? Why do I feel I'm not kind enough? Because you have a talent in judging yourself. So all the talents that I have from all the lifetimes to keep on judging myself, will you now destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds. When which makes you feel lighter, that I'm kind or I'm not kind enough? And what is the word enough? Enough means you have to be more. Just so you even if you're kind, you want to say I'm not kind enough, so I have to be more kind. I have to be more kind. But whom should you be kind to first? You have to be kind to yourself. And telling yourself that I'm not kind enough, is it kind to you or unkind to you? Yeah. So everything that brought up and let down, will you now destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds. All the feelings which may or may not be mine, all the feelings and no feelings which may or may not be mine, that I'm using as a talent to keep on judging myself to be unkind, will you now destroy and uncreate it once and for all eternity? Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds. And again, the beauty of time is the past is over. So how many of you guys don't even think the past is over? So when you say I'm not kind enough, are you referring to the past? Because if you're referring to this moment only, there is no question of that, is there? So everything that brought it down, you now destroy and uncreate it. Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all 9 shots, boys and girls. So everywhere I've made time so linear that I'm stuck in the past, or I'm stuck in the worry of my future, or I'm stuck in age, or I'm just stuck. Will you now destroy and uncreate it once and for all eternity? Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds. Okay.
Nitya, this has given a lot of clearance to me, not clearance in terms of understanding, because sometimes I have said to a couple of people that this year has just been a number of years and not added on to anything. So this time as illusion and all these things have given me a lot of insight, and definitely have a look at the video of your time.
Sure.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Yeah. So what can you be or do different to receive? Who, someone said 7 people are bothering me. Who is that? I don't remember. Anyway, so what can I be or do different to receive appreciation and kindness from everyone I meet today? And everything that does not allow you to know, be, perceive, and receive that, will you destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all 9 shots, boys and girls. And what have I decided that kindness is, so that everything I do seems like an unkindness? Will you now destroy and uncreate it once and for all eternity? Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all 9 shots, boys and beyonds. Sahana, do you have...
Can you just...
Yes.
Can you just repeat the question on the clearing on kindness, please?
Okay, but I can't guarantee it will come the same. What have I decided that is kindness, so that I tell myself that I'm unkind, instead of just being the energy of kindness first for myself and then everyone else? And everything that does not allow you to know, be, perceive, and receive that, will you destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all 9 shots, boys and girls. And all the points and points of view that I think are significant and valuable by making myself wrong, I now choose to let them go and come to the awareness that I don't achieve anything by making myself wrong except destroying. And everything that brought up and let down, will you now destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all 9 shorts, boys and beyonds. Okay. When you, yes, Neeta.
I've written it on the chat also. What is the correct question to ask for money to the universe?
Oh, there is no, yeah, you have to be the energy of money. It's not about asking the correct question. It's about being that. So every question you ask, you have to be that energy. You can say, who does it belong to? Without meaning it, it will not work, but you can be present to it. And there's no correct or wrong question. But what can I be to be the energy of money, to receive money with ease? And everything that does not allow me to know, be, perceive, and receive that, will you destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all 9 shorts, boys and girls. It is not about saying and asking the question. It's about being the energy of the question. So you will say it, you will say the question 100 times, and the 100th time it will change, because the 100th time you asked it with presence. Now, if you asked with that presence in the first time, it can happen faster, right? Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all 9 shorts, boys. And Neeta, you cannot be the energy of money if you're sad or upset or judgment or anger or anxious or stressed. All that is the opposite of being money. So everything that brought up and let down, will you destroy and uncreate it? Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, someone had a question, but I think
Energy remains same to receive anything, be it money, be it love, be it anything.
yes.
Alright?
See, every energy is different, but everything is energy. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, I
And
mean, be it a negative energy or a positive energy. So, with negative, you just say fear, anxiousness, and all this. So, if we want to receive, if I want to receive all these things, so the energy remains same, na, of receiving. I mean, receiving energy of acceptance, energy of love, energy of all the kind of kindness, joy, ease, and glory.
I
And again, I'm
didn't
even asking.
I didn't get what is your question actually.
I was just asking that be the energy of money when you said.
Yes.
So the energy of be the energy of money remains same with the be the energy of love or be the energy of joy and glory.
So money, for money, we have to be the energy of power, control, awareness,
Awesome.
creativity, and money. So these are the power, control, creativity, awareness, joy. These are the energies, all of them together. And you can be more than one energy at a time. You can be infinite energies at the same time. Everything that brought up and let down, destroy and uncreate it. Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all 9 shorts, boys and girls. Okay.
Yes.
Alifia is saying, I feel I'm never present. I'm mostly in the past or the future, but not in the present. And I don't know how to be present. That is such a powerful statement to make sure that you will not be in the present. So you might just want to say that and say, interesting point of view, I have this point of view. Interesting point of view, I have this point of view. Guys, your body is in the present. Even if your mind is not, your body is very much in the present. So what can I learn from my body to be present? Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all 9 shorts, boys and girls. You cannot not be present. One part of you is in the present. Your body is always in the present, right? It's not in the past. Yeah. So be kind to yourselves. You know, we like to judge ourselves to the worst. So everywhere I love to judge myself to the worst case scenario, because that is the biggest talent that I've decided that I have. Will you now destroy and uncreate it once and for all eternity?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, for all 9 shorts, boys and girls. So what invention am I using to always assume the worst and live the worst case scenario in my head, even though my body is in the present, and even though there are so many things in life for me to be grateful for? Will you now destroy and uncreate it once and for all eternity?
Yes.
Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all 9 shorts, boys and beyonds. Okay, yeah. And there is one, you guys are not as screwed up as you think you are, or as bad as you think you are. Definitely better than that. So your thinking is your limitation. So everything that brought up and let down, will you destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POD, POC, all 9 shorts, boys and girls. What can I be or do different to stop judging myself to be limited and to choose to go beyond limitation with ease? And everything that brought up and let down, will you destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all 9 shorts, boys and girls. Again, if you say I'm limited and I have to improve, that is a judgment. That's going to make you improve in limitations. Okay, you're going to improve, but again with little limitations. So we're not looking to improve. Let's look to evolve with fun. Otherwise, also there's nothing wrong with you. We're just here to live and enjoy. So as long as you do that, nothing else matters, does it? What's right about that I'm not getting? What is right about me that I'm not getting? Would that be a question to use? Yeah, that's a very beautiful question to use, especially when you feel that you're wrong or something is wrong with you. What is right about me that I'm not getting? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all 9 shorts, boys and beyonds. Okay, I will take one last question and we can close for the day. Okay, seems no questions. Yes.
Nitya, one last time, Nitya, that right
Yes.
thing, what is right about me?
What is right about me that I'm not getting? Whenever you feel you're wrong, when you feel I'm not present, when you feel that you've done something wrong, you can ask what is right about me that I'm not getting, and it'll change.
Okay.
So we never ask what is right about me. We always ask what is wrong with me. So everything that brought up and let down, will you destroy and uncreate it?
Thank you, Nitya.
So welcome. Okay, thank you guys. So Sagar,
so
did you
much.
have a question?
One last sharing. There's a site called the Daily Q. I don't know if people have heard of it. You can subscribe. Right now, she's not sending newsletters, but she posts a question a day. It's very nice to go and see that. Sometimes we forget the questions. What questions to ask? That is the question on our minds. So that's a resource that people can use. Just remember, I thought I'll share that.
Okay, thank you so much. Parul, did you have a question too? Okay, no. Okay, guys, cool. Even though time is an illusion, still it's 10:05.
Thank you.
I will see all of you next Monday. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Have a great day and keep evolving.
Thank you, Nitya.
Thank you.
Thank you, Nitya.
Thank you, Nitya.
Thank you, Nitya.
Thank you so much.
Nitya,
Yes.
can I get the recording?
Yes, I will post the recording in the group and it's on Facebook Live also. Still no luck on YouTube yet, but by next week should be on YouTube too. I mean, it's on YouTube also. I'll send you the channel. You guys can like and subscribe, but we didn't get to YouTube Live yet.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Can I call you?
Of course, you can call me.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
You have a great day.
Thank you.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Love you.
I love you too. Thank you so much.